Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming ports and picking the best link. HDMI ARC when available for full control and best audio, optical if ARC isn't an option, or Bluetooth for wireless convenience. Once done, power both devices off and gather an HDMI high-speed cable or a Toslink optical cable. This prevents connector damage and audio pops. Make sure your TV supports ARC or eARC in settings. Enable it now, because that allows your TV to send audio back to the soundbar and simplifies remote control. Next, physically connect. Insert the HDMI cable into the TV's HDMI ARC port and the soundbar's HDMI OUT ARC port. If optical, use the TV's digital audio out to the soundbar's optical in. Power both devices on, then on the TV change audio output to external speakers and enable ARC or eARC. If no ARC, set output to optical and choose PCM or bitstream per your soundbar's capability. Then select the matching input on the soundbar and play a test tone to verify signal and level. Finally, enable HDMI CEC on the TV so your TV remote can control the soundbar volume. This streamlines use and prevents double volume confusion. Once connected, tweak sound modes, bass, and lip sync or delay to match picture. Small adjustments improve clarity and sync. If you encounter no audio, first switch inputs and reseat cables, then set the TV audio format to PCM or compatible bitstream. If still silent, turn both devices off, unplug for 30 seconds, then restart. Power cycling often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.